But what happens when a person takes a drug? That is, why do some people take drugs again and again and sometimes to excess? We do know that genetics can play a role in how reinforcing a drug's effect is for an individual. Now, a drug reinforcer is any drug that produces effects that cause or result in the person taking the drug again. Drugs of abuse are termed positive reinforcers. We'll discuss reinforcers in more detail in our lesson on learning, which is the next lesson. One factor that plays a major role in the reinforcing effectiveness of a drug's action is the route of administration that the drug is delivered. Faster the onset of a drug's action, the greater reinforcing effects. So injecting and inhaling routes are more reinforcing than the oral route because the drug enters the central nervous system faster during injecting and inhaling. Now, for the oral route, the drug has to pass through the digestive system and compete for metabolism with whatever else is in the stomach, for example, pizza or a cheeseburger. Thus, the drug takes longer to reach the sites of action in the central nervous system when taken orally. Here, let's look at these a little closer. Injecting drugs is one of the fastest and most dangerous routes of administration for a variety of reasons, including the increased risk of blood-borne diseases, such as HIV and AIDS, hepatitis, and even collapsing of veins after long time injecting. Inhalation or smoking over an extended period of time can result in damage to the lungs and bronchi, and sometimes results in coughing fits and increased mucus production. Other routes of administration include snorting or even transdermal patches. You're most likely aware of nicotine patches that are used as a method for quitting smoking. Patches allow for extended release of the drug. There are even patches for powerful pain-reducing drugs that are used for the treatment of some cancers. But now let's switch gears and talk a little bit about the brain.